questions or medical exam. His acceptance was guaranteed. You're between 45 and 85. You automatically qualify for up to $25,000 in life insurance. Starting at just $6.38 a month if you marry at home. Your acceptance is guaranteed.
Multi, you know what I'm saying? Multi-use. It is right here crazy. But like, you know, you be in the gym and shit. I bought it from Amazon. Yeah, it's a DJI Nano. It's a pocket little small joint. They got other cameras, but I fuck with this one. My man got the Pocket 3, I think it's called. It's a little bigger, but it come with like a round, so it's like it moves and shit. Like you can make it move. This one more like an action camera. Hell yeah. Let's hope it come up right. That's why I keep trying to look at this. What happened to the screen? I had the screen somewhere. Oh, here you go. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. That nigga is crazy. Want to bring the beer down or just outline it?
Outline this part.
Even that out. Are you there? No. Nigga wasted his money. But when I first started, I was paying racks. Like TPOV wasn't really popping like that. So he was the first company to come out with like affordable clippers, that's professional grade. Everybody else, nigga, clippers that quality, $300-400 clippers. Fabulous Stylecraft. Yeah, I can't find. That's the first one I just lost. My silver FX. That's my favorite thing. Not bad, but it's my favorite one. Always be. TPOV second to them. That shit was a phase, nigga. That shit done. Yeah. Man, if it get hot, it's for the friction. Other than that, none of my clippers don't get hot. TPOV shit don't get hot. Once you know how to operate your clippers and set them how you like them, you gonna realize that a lot of this shit the same, bro. It's just like shoes, you feel me? Like all of them do the same thing. It's just gonna be what you want to wear at the time. But all of them shoes, shit. I gotta remember to record, hold my head straight. I'll be right with you, buddy.
Lock in your rates today. The hazard detector the new best product sectors happiness and reliability better of the same. It's not more of the same, it's better of the same. $78,000 to repair or more, 500% markups on cancer drugs, patients. Hospital workers are your healthcare costs too much. Tell Congress to addrss skyrocketing healthcare costs.
Fuck, I cover all up.
Alright, knock it off, buddy. Now, as you all heard, there's a killer town in East Africa beginning with conversation. In London area, do not travel alone whenever possible. Always, and remember, never ever believe someone when they tell you that shaving your pubic will bridge your fat infestation. Now, understand this is not no one needs to touch your eyes. waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What am I waiting for? What are you waiting for?
And then right there, vicious. Thought I put the jersey helmet, show the face and everything.
I'm not gonna